And today, do you want to meet someone?
And here, anyone who wants selfie? College I have studied. And as usual, chat.
Hi and hello. Today is 10th of November. Within 2 days, like within one day, we have our semester exam. I don't know what to film today, but today is all about requesting teachers to give thoda bahut suggestions for the semester exams because like between model exam and semester exam, we just had 10 days of gap. So we haven't seen our model exam marks also. This is a mess. Please do ignore. We haven't seen our model exam marks also. So today we are going to check that. Then assignment submission is also there. Last minute assignment submission is there. And third is we are going to ask our teachers, like class teachers, we are going to talk to her because before going back home we have to talk to her. So today itself we are doing it because our exam is ending on 20th and on 21st we are catching our train to Kolkata, so we won't get time. So today itself we'll talk to her. Also request her to give some suggestions if possible. It will be really nice for last minute exam preparation. So yes, let's go. Let's see what happens in this day. This is going to be a very easy peasy day, but night is going to be a study session because half of the time we will be staying in the college itself because of like here and there we will be roaming, not for just chilling but for assignments, teachers, finding the teachers and everything. So it's going to be a big day. Now it's 9 o'clock. I woke up at 8. Yesterday I slept between 3 to 4, so dark circles will come soon. But okay, it's okay, exam time. Okay. So I'm going to quickly get ready and then go to the college. And today do you want to meet someone to make your day special? Okay.
स्पाइडरमैन स्पाइडरमैन तूने चुराया मेरे दिल का चैन स्पाइडरमैन स्पाइडरमैन
We came in the college. Here are all the assignments and the spiral binding, but we couldn't find ours.
Hello guys.
Yes, we are going to have some brownie. The exam is from 12 and now we are going to get some brownie. It's some exam time craving for dessert. As I mentioned in the previous video, that previous vlog, that we are going to make some food. That food was brownie, but we didn't get time to make brownie. So we are going to grab brownie from the nearest cafe. Oh, that brownie is good.
ওয়ার্কারগুলো সব দেখছে
কি
ওয়ার্কারগুলো দেখছে বাবা
ওয়ার্কারগুলো দেখছে ঠিক আছে জয়ন্তিকা স্পাইডারম্যান সুনন্দা বাই বাই brownie mission. Spider-Man here. Anyone who wants selfie? Anyone? Selfie? Selfie? Dada? So the thing is, a random boy came to take selfie with him. That point of time my camera was closed. So now I want someone who can take selfie and I can record. Selfie?
guys, now I completed my dinner. Now I'm going to take a 15 minutes break. I want to talk to my parents, my family. Then I'm going to start another new subject. So what I'm doing for semester is, what our teacher said, that we need to practice all the model test and CT question paper and the assignments they have given. So I will be looking forward to that only. I have the papers, not all the model question papers, but like 70% I have and 30% I have to ask from the rest of my friends, classmates. So yeah, let's see. I'm studying. It's already 8 o'clock, but tomorrow is Saturday. So tomorrow is not Saturday, sorry, tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is holiday, so tomorrow I can get up late, so I can study today late night. So I will be doing that only, because Tuesday, like tomorrow, I have to sleep early because Wednesday is exam. So yeah, let's see. Whatever I do, I'll inform. But yeah. In Java, as I mentioned previously, took some break, like not much, 30-minute break I took. So now it's 12 o'clock right now. So what I'm going to do right now is, I have completed Java, like only the CT questions, completed Java. We'll be revising Java tomorrow also in the morning. So tomorrow is Sunday. So now today at night I'm going to revise some of the DSA questions, not the complete ones, but only the model questions. I feel like I can complete the model questions because I have kept the exam recently, so I feel I can complete the DSA model questions. So if I can complete it by today, then it's well and good. If not, then tomorrow again we have to make a list of the questions which we could then complete and start with it. So yeah, that's the plan of today. And as usual, ChatGPT being the savior. These are the questions. So let me end this vlog right here, or else at night, even if I remember to end this vlog, I won't feel like to record because I will be really tired as usual. Like, I did not sleep well yesterday also. So yeah, I will be sleeping early only, like 3-4 hours max, and then I will be sleeping. So yes, thank you for watching the vlog. I'm going to sleep now after studying all this and revising. Meet you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye, stay safe, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye.